Hey everyone, I'm exposing the lead generation industry's best kept secrets, and in this video, I'm going to show you a platform that you can use to set up mailboxes that will get you amazing deliverability for half the price of Google. Okay? And this is not something that I've just learned from reading an article online or seeing another video. This is a platform that we use internally for our company, and we have thousands and thousands and thousands of mailboxes set up with this company. The company is outstanding, and it's one of the industry's best kept secrets that they do not want you to know about. And if you don't know me, my name is David Shmula. I'm the founder of Outbound Partners. We do lead generation, setups, sales automation, and a whole bunch of stuff just like that. And what I'm going to share with you today, like I said before, is one of the industry's best kept secrets, because what a lot of lead generation companies want you to think is that setting up email infrastructure is insanely complicated. And the reality is it's actually not. There was a time in the past when you had to go in and create a whole bunch of different workspaces and buy a bunch of domains and associate it with a workspace and then put a bunch of mailboxes under those domains and really just separate it out like crazy. And it's a lot of manual work. You also would have to go into the DNS records, add the DKIM records and the DMARC records, and those had to be published from within the workspace or within the tenant account. It was a lot of manual work and a huge pain. Now, things have gotten much easier since then. Why I love this platform so much, which we're going to jump into in a moment, is because it automates all this stuff. So not only do you get great deliverability, you actually get a lot of operational efficiencies using this platform. So like I said, back in the day, you would have to go in and create a bunch of domains within a certain workspace. And then for each domain, you'd have to set up the DNS records and do a whole bunch of stuff. And it even got more complicated than that, because when you have so many different domains and so many different workspaces set up within companies like Google and Microsoft, you would have to have digital credit cards and digital phone numbers so that you can really disassociate all of the accounts. And this is still something that lead generation agencies make it seem like they do, but they actually don't anymore. Now they're using resellers and platforms like this. So like I said, not only are you going to get amazing deliverability at a really, really good price, you're also streamlining a lot of the operational burden, the operational inefficiencies that were associated with the old way of doing things. So without further ado, let's jump into the platform. This is called Hypertide, and Hypertide is a cold email infrastructure solution. So for the record, they are not sponsoring this video. We are a customer of theirs though. And why we love Hypertide so much is because we're getting amazing deliverability and their pricing is outstanding. So as it says here, you can send 5,000 cold emails for $50 a month. That's really good. That's less than half the price of you trying to send that volume through Google or Microsoft. So just from a price perspective, you're already out the gate ahead. So one of the things I really like about Hypertide compared to what a lot of their competitors are doing is they're actually renting space on Microsoft Azure enterprise servers. And the beauty of that is that you get a Microsoft quality IP, but you're actually not paying Microsoft for the individual mailboxes. So they're actually renting Microsoft, like I said, Microsoft Azure servers, and they're putting email infrastructure on it, with, the whole software component of an email infrastructure, and then they're running their own custom email infrastructure on their servers. You're getting IPs from Microsoft, but mailboxes actually provided and sold to you by Hypertide. So in this video, I'm actually going to cap it right here. I'm not going to take you into the account. I have too much private information, and it's just so self-explanatory. And once you're onboarded, you're going to see a bunch of videos of exactly how to get the mailboxes, how to get the domains, and it's just super, super streamlined. The whole platform is fully automated. So not only does it make the operational component much easier, but it's also the administrative side of managing these mailboxes so much easier. Because with cold email infrastructure, it goes through ebbs and flows. You'll need to use it for a little bit, and then at some point you're going to have to decommission it because the mailboxes are going to stop performing. And with this, you could just, with the click of a button, decommission the mailboxes and spin up new infrastructure. It's that easy. And like I said, the whole thing is fully automated. So it's not really a how-to video. It's just I wanted to show you one of the best kept secrets that a lot of cold email agencies are hiding from you. This is something that they're using to get really, really good efficiencies on their mailbox infrastructure and get really good deliverability while also streamlining their operations. Because like I said, the old way was very laborious. The new way, super easy. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope you got value from this. I'm going to continue to share some of the best kept secrets that the lead generation industry is hiding from you. And I'm really excited to share some more in the next video. Until then, take care.